go. 4 days after the storm, and you can see the snow everywhere in Washington D.C. in February 2010, the blizzard of 2010.
Fairfax.
Fairfax, Virginia. Okay, Fairfax, Virginia. These are the Silver Road. And this is, you can see people here stuck on the road.
We have Subway in the car, by the way, if you're wondering what we have.
Yeah. See these pictures. See how the road is.
Oh,
now you have to wait. Every camera over.
This 2 lanes becomes 1 lane.
Now it's even more. It's a big, big time rush. Because we have one.
Take pictures here.
It's on my shoulder.
Look at this.
No, not slow. Calm down. No slow. You have no slow. Calm down.
It's like Alice in Wonderland, huh?
Yeah.
Or Iceland, or whatever it is.
You don't go like this. You don't go like this. Go. Calm down.
Look at these two.
No, not 2 hands. 1 hand facing up like this.
Come down.
No, you just go.
Amazing, really. Look at this trees here.
Come down.
No.
Come down. Come down.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures everywhere. Snow everywhere.